So, as we step into the year 2024, Google finds itself in a familiar position, looking to maintain the momentum generated by the successful launch of its Pixel 8 series last year. Fortunately, we won't have to wait long to gain insights into the tech giant's plans for the remainder of the year, as Google I/O 2024 is expected to serve as our next major source of information. Building upon the success of last fall's releases, which included the Pixel 8, Pixel 8 Pro, and Pixel Watch 2, Google I/O 2024 holds the promise of significant developments across various fronts. While hardware continues to be a key focus, especially in the wake of recent launches, Google has also been garnering significant attention for its advancements in artificial intelligence. The integration of Google AI-powered features like Magic Editor and Best Take in the Pixel 8 series underscores the company's unwavering commitment to AI innovation. Moreover, Google's efforts to enhance AI experiences on rival devices, such as the recent collaboration with the Galaxy S24 lineup, further solidify its growing influence in this domain. Notably, the Circle to Search feature stands out as one of the notable outcomes of this collaboration. While official details regarding Google I/O 2024 are still forthcoming, anticipation is running high as enthusiasts await insights into the annual Developers Conference. Historically, May has been the preferred month for the event, with last year's Google I/O 2023 conference held on May 10, 2023. Barring the exception in 2020 due to the COVID-19 pandemic, Google has consistently chosen mid-month Wednesdays to kick off the conference. Therefore, it is speculated that Google I/O 2024 will likely take place on May 8 or May 15. In preparation for participation, attendees are required to register in advance, with registration typically opening in early March to align with last year's timeline of March 7. The conference is open to all, free of charge, provided that attendees register beforehand. While there have been hints suggesting a potential Google I/O event on June 27, 2024, this remains unconfirmed. However, rest assured that we will keep you updated on any developments to ensure that you have ample time to secure your spot and make necessary arrangements. Similar to the format of last year's conference, viewers can expect the keynote address and subsequent on-demand content to be available directly from the official Google I/O website and Google's official YouTube channel. This accessibility ensures that audiences worldwide can seamlessly engage with the conference's proceedings, regardless of their location. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming Google I/O event and the Google Pixel 8a? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And as always, I will see you guys in my next video.